Shack down by the tracks, sparks are flying where the moonlight cracks. KASZPIR's hands are black with grease, building steel to set him free. That engine growls, it ain't no prayer. It's the sound of a soul laid bare. In his veins the thunder rolls, the night's his kingdom, the road is so. Hey KASZPIR, night rider man, your riding horses sing again. Under the stars where the wild winds blow, you ride along the only road you know. Hey KASZPIR, fire in your eyes, let the metal dance, let the night ignite. Gas tank shining in the silver moon, he hums that same old diesel tune. He don't chase fame, he don't chase gold, his story is written in the smoke and cold. Dogs are howling down the line, the echoes his, that sound is mine. Between the dawn and the dying light, KASZPIR laughs and rides through the night. Hey KASZPIR, night rider man, your iron horses sing again. Under the stars where the wild winds blow, you ride it along the only road you know. Hey KASZPIR, fire in your eyes, let the metal dance, let the night ignite. Whoa. Smoking gasoline fill the air, sparks like fireflies everywhere. When the morning comes around, he'll be gone, no one to be found.